You have to identify the murmur and tell the differentials.
So it is a rough lumbering, a mid-diastolic murmur. Mostly it can be of mitral stenosis, best heard in the apex area.
Correct. 1 mark for Shivani. Next is for Sachin.
It is pansystolic murmur, high pitch blowing murmur, best heard in mitral wall area, is seen in mitral regurgitation.
Very good. Next is for you. Identify this murmur.
So it is a harsh, a crescendo, decrescendo type of murmur. It can be aortic stenosis. It is best heard in the aortic area.
Correct. Now tell me, what is Galvardian phenomena?
So it is when the high pitch sound of the AS murmur travels to the apex and the low pitch sound of the AS murmur will travel to the carotids.
Correct. Last murmur for you.
It is early diastolic decrescendo murmur. It is best heard in aortic area.
Correct. And finally, you guys let me know in the comment section what is Durozius murmur. And don't forget to save this video, share with your friends, and keep following us for more such content. Thank you.